What if I told you that right now, sitting somewhere in an Amazon warehouse, there's a gadget that could completely change how you work, travel, sleep, or experience the world? These aren't concept products or stuff from science fiction movies. You can order them today, and they'll be at your door in a few days. I've put together a list of 7 gadgets that are genuinely impressive, actually useful, and honestly kind of mind-blowing. Whether you're a tech enthusiast, a productivity nerd, or just someone who loves cool stuff, there's something on this list for you. Let's get into it. Gadget 1. VITURE Luma Pro XR Glasses. Okay, we're starting strong, because number 1 on this list might actually change the way you consume media forever. Meet the VITURE Luma Pro XR Glasses. Imagine putting on a pair of glasses and suddenly being inside a 152-inch private cinema running at a buttery smooth 120Hz refresh rate. That's exactly what these do. Whether you're watching movies on a long flight, gaming in your bedroom, or getting work done from a coffee shop, these glasses turn any screen experience into something that feels completely cinematic. The design is sleek. They look like a pair of regular premium sunglasses, not some clunky VR headset. You plug them in, put them on, and boom, your own personal IMAX. No headset straps, no sweaty face, no giant brick sitting on your skull. If you've ever wanted a private screen experience without carrying a monitor, this is as close to the future as it gets right now. Gadget 2. Plaud NotePin AI Voice Recorder. Next up is something for anyone who's ever sat in a meeting or lecture and thought, I wish someone else was taking notes for me. Enter the Plaud NotePin AI Voice Recorder. This tiny little wearable pin clips onto your clothes like a badge and silently records everything around you. But here's where it gets really impressive. It doesn't just record. It uses AI to automatically transcribe your conversations in over 112 languages. And then it creates smart, organized summaries so you're not drowning in hours of audio. Think about that for a second. You walk into a meeting, press one button, and walk out with a full transcription and key action points already waiting for you. For students, journalists, lawyers, business people, this thing is a complete game changer. Note-taking as we know it is officially over. This is the future of capturing information. Gadget 3. Magnetic Levitating UFO Bluetooth Speaker. Alright, let's take a quick detour into pure wow factor territory, because this next gadget exists for one reason: to make everyone who walks into your room immediately say, "What is that?" The Magnetic Levitating UFO Bluetooth Speaker literally floats in the air. It uses electromagnetic technology to hover above its base, spinning slowly, with LED lights glowing around it, pumping out 360-degree surround sound from every angle. It's part speaker, part desk decoration, and part conversation starter all in one. The sound quality is actually solid. Deep bass, clear highs, but honestly, you could play nothing through it and it would still be the coolest thing in the room just for floating there. If your desk setup needs a "this doesn't look like Earth energy," this is your move. Gadget 4. DJI Neo Mini Drone. Drones have been around for a while, but the DJI Neo Mini is doing something that most drones have never managed: making aerial photography genuinely accessible to everyone, not just tech enthusiasts. This little guy takes off from the palm of your hand. No setup. No complicated remote control required. It has a 4K camera, auto-follow mode, and AI tracking that locks onto you and just follows wherever you go. You can literally set it loose and it will film your whole adventure by itself. Whether you're hiking, surfing, traveling, or just want stunning content for social media, the Neo Mini makes it look like you have a full camera crew following you around. It's compact enough to toss in a bag and forget it's there until you need it. This is what flying cameras were always supposed to be: simple, smart, and spectacular. Gadget 5. Timekettle W4 Pro Translator Earbuds. Remember those earbuds from The Hitchhiker's Guide to the Galaxy that let you understand any language in the universe? We're not quite there yet, but the Timekettle W4 Pro is shockingly close. These earbuds provide real-time, bi-directional translation across 40-plus languages. What does bidirectional mean? It means when you speak, the other person hears your words translated. And when they respond in their language, you hear it translated back into yours without stopping to type anything. They also have noise cancellation built in, which means they work in loud environments like airports, markets, and restaurants. If you travel internationally, work in global business, or just want to connect with people beyond your language barrier, these earbuds are extraordinary. Language will never be a wall again. That's not an exaggeration. Gadget 6. Govee RGBIC Galaxy Projector. This next one isn't just a gadget, it's a full-on atmosphere upgrade for your living space. The Govee RGBIC Galaxy Projector turns any ordinary room into an immersive, galaxy-level light show. We're talking swirling galaxy effects, deep space nebula colors, and dynamic LED lighting that responds to music in real time. It syncs with whatever you're playing and shifts the light patterns to match the beat, the mood, and the energy. Your room literally comes alive with the music. It's also fully smart home compatible. Works with Alexa and Google Assistant. You can control colors, effects, brightness, and scenes right from your phone or just by speaking. Gaming sessions, movie nights, study hours, or late night chilling, every moment hits differently with this thing running. Forget boring LED strips. This is what ambient lighting actually looks like when it's done right. Gadget 7. Advanced AI Smart Ring / Thermal Wearable. And we're closing out with something that represents the next frontier in wearable technology: AI-powered smart rings and thermal camera devices. Smart rings like the Even R1 pack serious health tracking technology into something you wear on your finger. Heart rate, sleep stages, blood oxygen, stress levels, activity tracking, all of it, without a bulky smartwatch on your wrist. They look like regular rings. Nobody knows you're tracking your biometrics in real time. And then there are compact pocket thermal cameras, which give you actual heat vision. You can use them for nighttime inspections, DIY home repairs, checking insulation leaks, or just exploring the world in a completely different visual spectrum. Point it at a wall and see exactly where heat is escaping. Point it outside at night and see what your regular camera can't. These aren't toys. They're real tools that expand what your body and eyes can do. The future of personal tech isn't a bigger phone. It's smarter, smaller, and worn on your body. And that's the list. 7 gadgets that aren't just cool, they're genuinely changing how people live, work, communicate, and experience the world. Every single one of them is available online right now. Links to all of them are down in the description below. If you had to pick just one, which gadget would you go for first? Drop it in the comments. I'm genuinely curious whether people are going for the XR glasses, the Translator earbuds, or something else entirely. If you found this useful, hit the like button. It seriously helps this channel grow. Subscribe if you want more content like this, because we're always hunting for the gadgets, tools, and tech that are actually worth your time and money. See you in the next one.